Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: simplifying complex concepts using the fourth grader technique. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to use this technique when interacting with ChatGPT, a powerful language model. So, let's dive right in. Alright, let's start by giving ChatGPT a normal prompt and see how it responds. Example: can you explain the process of photosynthesis in plants? As you can see, the response contains some scientific terminology and might be a bit challenging for a fourth grader to understand. That's where the fourth grader technique comes in handy. Now, let's use fourth grader technique to our prompt. Just simply type, "Explain it to a fourth grader." Wow, that explanation is much more accessible. Notice how we used simpler terms and included a relatable analogy. Now, let's try this approach with another example. Can you explain the concept of gravity and how it affects objects? While the explanation is accurate, let's ask for a step-by-step breakdown to make it easier to understand. Again, just simply type, "Explain it to a fourth grader." Now, we received a more accessible explanation that a fourth grader could easily understand. Awesome, right? And there you have it, folks. By using the fourth grader technique, we can simplify complex concepts and make them more accessible for everyone, even when interacting with advanced language models like ChatGPT. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy simplifying.